Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we make our Garrick chases. Okay guys, some of the things you will need is a slide, a return or non-return, it's up to you. And yeah, weighted or non-weighted is also up to you as well. Okay, in terms of line or monofilament, you can go either 0.70 or 0.80. So generally 0.70 when you're fishing on the surf, when there's no rocks around and whatever. If you're fishing around rocks, 0.80. Just to give you that little bit of abrasion resistance. And in terms of our hooks that we use, so Cam and I have always used handle round hooks for Garrick fishing, and we're not sponsored, but the hooks that we go to is this Sensation Pro Series hooks. Super affordable. You get quite a lot in the packs, and yeah, they don't rust in a hurry. They're always sharp, and in terms of me, I've never missed a fish on them. So yeah. So let's get into the video, and I'll show you the mixed chases. Okay guys, so when we fishing for Garrick, there's two ways that we do tie our chase. It's either our carrying hook that has a dropper loop, or is put on with a snell knot. So I'm going to do both ways for you and show you our light trace that we use and also our heavy trace. So first we're going to do our light trace. This trace I normally use our 4 candle rounds. I'm sure if you can see there that for just around 20 bucks you get 12 hooks in a pack, which is extremely cheap. So yeah, so there's our 2 hooks here, and I'm just going to show you how we tie this on. So let's grab our nylon. So first off, I'm going to take, say, about 20 centimeters, or okay, let's go 30. So about 30 centimeters. Okay, so to do a dropper loop, you're gonna slide the hook on and you're gonna make a loop. Then on that loop there, you're gonna twist your tag in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And as you can see, I keep that loop open there and I push my hook through it. Okay, and I'm just going to use my mouth for this. So you're going to pull your hook through, the eye through, and you're going to tighten up slowly. Okay, I'm going to wet this knot. Make sure you wet this knot, it does burn your line if you don't. Okay, and pull slowly. So around that side on your loop is perfectly fine. You don't want to make it too big. There you have it. So that there guys, that's your dropper loop for your carrying hook. Okay, and in your front hook, that's going to sit proud on your bait. Okay, so some guys like it long, some guys like it absolutely short like this. I say in general, 4 finger space is perfect for any bait. And to tie this hook on, just a normal figure of 8. So 3 loops, okay, around the back and through. Open those loops out, pull tight, lubricate, and pull tight, and cut off your tag. Okay, now normally guys, they they measure the line out before tying the hooks on. So what I normally do is, my trace is generally 1 meter to 1.2 meters. So in general, I normally make all my traces 1 meter. So if I'm fishing off the surf, sliding over a bank, or even fishing off the rocks and sliding into a gutter, the trace works perfectly fine. If your trace is long and you're sliding over a bank, it generally does tangle. You're sliding the tangles, your trace will end up tangling up as well. Okay, so I measure 1 meter for my carrying hook. So I know 1 meter is from the edge of my hand here to my opposite shoulder. So that's 1 meter. That out. And there you have it again. I can't stop saying it. A homemade slide. This has changed my life ever since I made it. Okay, and again, just a simple figure of 8. Pull tight, lubricate, slide it down to your swivel, and then give it a good tug. Okay, so there you have it. That's your Garrick trace with your 4 hooks and a dropper loop. Okay guys, so now that you've seen our light trace, I'm going to show you how to make our heavy trace, and the difference here is that your carrying hook is going to be snelled instead of put on using a dropper loop. So the difference with this trace is our hooks are a bit bigger, so we're using 6 O's instead of 4 O's, and your monofilament is a bit heavier, so 0.8 O. Okay, so to start off, you're going to take your 6 O candle round and you're going to put the line through the front of the hook. Okay, so in through that way, and you're going to pull through about, I'd say 20 to 30 centimeters. Okay, what I like to do is flip the hook over, hold the line against the hook, and make a loop, and pinch your tie again there. So there's your tie again as well. Let's pinch it together. Now taking your loop end on the bottom of the hook, you're going to wrap around the hook and your tag end 4 times, starting from the bottom of the hook. So let's go. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to pinch it back there. Now you're going to pull your tag in slowly. I'll use my mouth for this. Okay, pulling your tag in slowly until the knot is almost set, and then you're going to lubricate it. And pull tight. Then you're going to wrap it around and just slide it to the eye of the hook and pull tight. Now this knot, guys, like I said, the knotless knot, snell comes loose. This here, your nylon can't come loose at all. Even if your line cuts, it will not come out. It will stay on the hook. Okay, now that that's done, we'll tie in our bottom hook. Like I said, guys, 4 finger space. I normally tie it a bit shorter because of the way I tie my figure of 8. The line just gets a bit longer after I've set the knot. So I measure it a bit shorter. 3 loops. And back through all 3. And just open your knot up ever so slightly. And pull tight, slide down, lubricate, and pull it nice and tight. Cut off your tag end. Okay, like I said, 1 meter. Let's put a bit extra there for your knots, and tie onto your slide. using a figure of 8. So once, twice, 3 times, get through. Let that knot open up nicely. Time lubricate. Slide down to your swivel and set it properly. So yeah, there you have it. So this is our heavy trace with your hook snelled. This is how I started fishing for Garrick initially, and the reason why I like this knot is because when the Garrick picks a bait up and takes off, this hook normally gets it in the corner or sometimes in the bottom jaw, which sticks properly. And also when I'm setting the hook on a Garrick, I don't normally hit hard. I just tighten up and lean into the fish and just shake the rod a little bit, and those hooks here, they are stuck properly most of the time. So yeah, so that's our Garrick chase, guys. So hope this helps you all. Hope it helps you all get a fish as well. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. It's free, and yeah, we've got a lot of content coming through and quite excited about it. As well as that, if you haven't noticed, we've got some new shirts. No, we're not sponsored, but I'd like to thank Auntie Lane, aka Kanta Ma'am, for our shirts. We love them, and yeah, can't wait to get some fish for them as well. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like. Yeah, see you in the next one. Cheers, guys. Hey guys, so I got my sinker out. Here's a nice live quarantine, which we're gonna put out for bait. Just gonna pin him quickly. Swimming nice and freely. So guys, when we're fishing for Garrick, there's 2 ways that we tie our traces. Yeah, the chun slide, but she